Good afternoon to you. I'm Carolyn Long. Charges have been dropped now against Missouri Governor Eric Greitens. Late yesterday afternoon, the governor announced he would be stepping down from that office. And then this morning, St. Louis Prosecutor Kim Gardner announced the state would no longer pursue computer tampering charges against him. KCTV5's Abigail James joins us live now with more on these rather stunning decisions. Abigail?
Good afternoon, Carolyn. Well, St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner stepped out in front of reporters today and announced her decision to drop the case. This comes hours after stating a, quote, fair and just resolution of the pending charges had been reached. The press conference lasted all of about 5 minutes. The charge filed in April followed an investigation by the Missouri Attorney General's office. It accused Greitens of using a donor list from the veterans charity he founded called The Mission Continues for his gubernatorial campaign. Now, Kim Gardner was also the one who indicted Greitens on a felony of invasion of privacy in February in St. Louis. That stemmed from an extramarital affair in 2015, and that case was dismissed earlier this month. Though Special Prosecutor Jean Peters Bakers is still considering whether to refile that charge. Now, Gardner said her decision to charge Greitens was based on facts and available evidence, and that she wants residents to have confidence in the criminal justice system.
If Mr. Greitens were convicted of this charge, it will be unlikely that he would be sentenced to prison given his first-time offender status and the type and level of the charge he faced.
Well, according to Gardner, the case did not cost taxpayers any more than the current budget allocated. She also said the case was not pursued at the expense of her office's other priorities. Live in the newsroom, Abigail James, KCTV5 News.
All right, thank you, Abigail. And with the planned resignation of Governor Greitens, another Republican military veteran is expected to take his place now, one with more experience working with lawmakers. Lieutenant Governor Mike Parson will be sworn in as governor this Friday when Greitens officially steps down at 5 p.m. The 62-year-old spent 6 years in the Army, served as Polk County Sheriff from '93 through 2004, spent 12 years in the Missouri House of Representatives and Senate before being elected as Lieutenant Governor back in 2016. Turning now